Begin configuring your Reuters News feed from the Content menu by selecting the Reuters News tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview on the left where you can see changes to your feed. Optionally, click in the left corner of the preview to toggle content views. On the right, set a custom name for the feed. Click the Customize this feed button at the bottom to make further customizations. Select your content view or sort content view by language. Click the checkbox next to the content view you wish to include that content view in your feed. Multiple content views can be chosen. At least one content view is required. Click to choose a theme. Available themes are Minimalist, Block Party, and Classic. Choose a style from the preset style buttons or click the custom style button to make further customizations. Select from a list of fonts and change colors for the title, summary, background, accents, intro, and background text. Optionally, you can hide news source logos, locations, use the summary as a title, hide summary text, or enable or disable animations. Choose an intro style, an intro background, and a message. Include a logo. Set the story duration. Default story duration is 10 seconds. And toggle on or off a randomization of the order of stories. Set your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, JSON, or XML data. Click the Create Feed button to create your Reuters News feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.